Hey everybody, if you're looking for a mint condition one bedroom in the Village, then I just need 60 seconds to show you this. It's a home that checks off all the boxes. Imagined and designed for today's lifestyle with the utmost attention to detail. I'm talking an open layout with a kitchen that features this gorgeous Calcutta marble backsplash, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and this wonderful white porcelain sink. A large living room with plenty of space for dining, these beautifully refinished red oak hardwood floors, floor-to-ceiling Carrara marble in the bathroom, and look at this incredible complementary Carrara marble inlay set into the vanity. And there's no shortage of closet space either, 5 throughout, including this cleverly designed built-in storage. This is the Hamilton at 60 East 9th Street, and this is the Village, and I'm excited to show you both.